potong kayu buat kayu bakar. Nanti sekarang udah musim dingin banget, nanti makin tambah dingin, jadi kita butuh kayu bakar. Jadi kebetulan depan rumah ada kayu gede banget, jadi kita mau potong ya. Yuk. Kita mau bersihin itu dulu taman. Ini mau disapuin, kita mau beresin. Ada kayu besar buat lumayan nih buat bakar kayu bakar kayu bakar. Terus digergaji. Di gudang ada gergaji. Kita mau potong kayu bakar ya. Ini harus dipotong soalnya kegedean. Ternyata keras banget. Kamu ngapain? Kenapa dibuang? Aduh, berat, dansis crush. Ternyata nggak gampang kerjaan kuli itu. Apa?
I will use it.
Hah?
I will use the big.
You cannot because it's very heavy.
No, I can.
Wait. You will help Mama, but wait for Mama.
Can it? Other.
Sini. Mau bantuin.
Out the way.
It's heavy. See, you cannot. It's difficult. Move, Sam.
Press, Mama. Press it. Press it. Faster with your strength.
Faster with your strength. Waduh. Ngomongnya aja Francis gampang, ini berat.
Mama.
Susah.
Do with your front. You cut it so strong.
Yeah, that's what Mama did. It's difficult.
No, use the head, the side.
Ini.
Use the head,
Aduh,
the
susah.
side. The head, the side. The side, Mama.
Iya. Oh ya. Ah. Oh. Bener-bener olahraga ini. Keras sayang. Ini mah papahnya harusnya nih. Papahnya lagi.
Mama, it's okay. I'll take camera.
Kerja. Hah?
I'll use the camera.
Cannot use the hammer for this. You cannot cut.
Mama,
Ah.
when you move, I will go.
Mana bisa?
I'll use it.
Mana bisa? Biasa orang Betawi apa aja dikerjain, jadinya ini nih ngecat, kayu. Udah sini, move. Mama cut first. Move.
No, it's okay. I'll clean it.
You will clean it? Okay, you clean.
Mama, move. I'll use it.
Wait, after this you use your hammer, okay? He is almost done.
That's Bobo.
Mama.
Mama, that's why he's pulling on the side.
Hah? Lagi, bentar lagi. What? Nih. Ah,
Up there.
yeay. Tuh. Sih,
Yeah,
Francis.
that was perfect.
Come here, sayang.
Wait.
Tuh. Susah banget potongnya. Tapi berhasil. Oke lagi. Lumayan buat kayu bakar nanti biar kalau apa barang-barang udah datang dari Indonesia kita bisa tinggal bakar. Ayo lagi, nanti lagi.
No, not yet. I had to do.
No, move, mama cut lagi.
No, don't. Look, you have to get
But why? Why I cannot cut?
free the long one.
What you cleaning up?
This one.
You clean up? But mama already cut, see?
What?
You cannot cut like that.
No, I don't want to cut because those are here. Look, you see?
Yeah.
I had to get all those.
Ayo. Mama need to cut again. Let's go.
What am I? Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
That's why don't touch.
Look, Mama. It's not for Mama. It's like.
Oh, because the hammer is too hard.
Yeah.
That's why you have to be careful. Just check your eyes. Check your eyes, Francis. Mama need to cut the wood. Come here, bring the chair here. Bawa sini. Bangkunya bawa sini sayang. Bangkunya bawa sini.
I'm going fine.
Yeah, we will go inside after this. I will just cut this. We will go inside. Pekerjaan yang sangat melelahkan.
Mama.
Apa? Ya sayang nih. One more.
No.
Hah?
It's black.
What?
My nail feet is black.
Black?
Yeah, come here.
Your nails? You have to wash.
No, it will not. It will not work.
Why?
You have to cut the black nail so it will be bullet.
Okay, I will cut. Okay, I will cut after this, yeah? 5 minutes.
Only got the big one.
Yeah. Only cut the big one, then we go inside.
I don't want to cut the black one again. I don't want to cut the black one.
Okay. Yeah. Ada besinya nih kayu. Cocok. Oke, let's go. Bocah udah nggak sabar rumah. Ntar kita potong lagi ya. Kita masuk ke rumah dulu. Ayo masukin, beresin, then we go inside.
Okay, Mama,
Yeah,
let's do
egg.
it together.
Francis, orang tinggal sedikit kok.
Together.
Apa tuh together mulu tuh? Nih. Cepetan tuh.
Together.
Iya tuh. Ayo.
Together.
The princess, the pink one.
Where?
There.
Oh, the pink one. Are you
Okay.
ready?
Oke, quickly. Ntar kita mau bikin yang hand lagi. Kita mau bikin lagi. Yun, bikin lagi apa enggak? Oke, let's go. Francis harus ini, abis main dia harus beresin mainannya sendiri. Ayo tuh, satu lagi.
Wah.
Ya, satu lagi. Kan pinter kan anak mama? Ya, now you already rescue them, then we go inside. Let's go, bring. Ayo, Pak. Bawa dalam.
Now you bring.
No, kamu yang bawa. Mau bikin lagi nggak? Oke, let's go. Kalau ini males banget ya anak. Wih, kok masih beresin lagi. Ini dari kakeknya Alex tuh, masih bisa jalan, belum dipanggil. Where are you? Hey, ngumpet di kolong. Mana ya? I can see you. Ngapain ngumpet?
I want you to take it.
You want egg or not?
I want egg.
Okay, let's go make it.